usually pretty sympathetic for people. Give them the benefit of the doubt. But in this case, dude, stop having kids. Like, wrap it up. Seriously. If you can't take care of them, don't have them.
The 37th Circuit Court is now in session with the Honorable Brian K. Kirkham presiding. It is Wednesday, October 25th, 2023 at 8:33 a.m.
Mr. Chapman, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor.
You can proceed when you're ready.
Thank you. Before the court is Daryl King of cases 102164 DP, case 121808 DS, case 152068 DP, case 16258 DP, 17126 DP, 191885 DP, and case 192679 DP. In each of these matters, Mr. King is here today after failing to appear before this court on July 12th, 2023. In the first case, bond is currently set at $1,454. This is the 9th bench warrant.
This is going to get a little hard to keep track of, so I'm going to make us a spreadsheet as we go along.
In the second case, bond is currently $1,704. This is the 8th bench warrant. In the third case, bond is currently $4,766. This is the 5th bench warrant. In the fourth case, bond is currently $9,970. This is the 5th bench warrant. In the fifth case, bond is currently $2,579. This is the 5th bench warrant. Sixth case, bond is currently $4,275. And this is the 3rd bench warrant. And in the final case, bond is currently $1,263, and this is the 2nd bench warrant.
Okay.
He reports no employment. Last payment made on these accounts was in April of 2022.
You know I'm all about making sure you have all the info, so I just wanted to add that each one of those 7, that's a separate child, just in case that wasn't clear. And each one of those separate children has a separate mama. And there's another county, maybe 2 in Michigan, that also have babies and mamas that I don't have the information for. So, yeah.
Front of the court recommends that reasonable bonds be set on these matters and they be scheduled for hearing on November 1st, 2023 at 8:00 a.m. before this court.
Thank you. Mr. King, you're before the court at this time, charged with civil contempt of court due to your failure to appear at a prior hearing as a result of your failure to pay child support. Purpose of this hearing is to set a bond that would assure your attendance at the next hearing on November 1st, 2023 at 8:00 a.m. You'll get notice of that in writing. Are you able to post a bond, sir?
Yes, I have a little buddy, but can I say something, sir, if it's possible, Your Honor?
Go ahead.
I sent the lady the disability paperwork. I don't know if you guys got that, because I know you guys took half of the settlement. When I got the settlement, when I took the $15,000 and they took my taxes when I got ran over at work. And I sent the lady the paperwork and she said that she would get back to me. This was maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, when I found out that I had a warrant. Because
Okay.
I'm currently fighting a disability and I'm still going through that situation and I can't really do anything. So she hasn't got back to me or my lawyer. So we're wondering what really happened with that. If you could tell me if you know anything about that, because
I don't know. I won't know anything about that until November 1st.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
No, that's fine. Well, you've got a lot of cases and again, a lot of issues in this particular matter. What I'm going to do is, because you have the 7 cases, I'm going to set your bond in each case in the amount of $100. If you're able to post that, you'd be able to be released. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. You're excused. Have a
So,
good day.
so one question, sir. So
Yep.
700 to get out?
Yes,
Okay, thank you.
okay. You kept going there, Mr. Chapman. I thought we were going to set a record.
So did I.
Dude, super lucky. According to Michigan laws, cash bond is required in child support arrearage cases, and it has to be $500 or 25% of the arrearage unless there is a special circumstance and the judge can override that. We've seen Judge Simpson refuse to override that, as well as Judge Anzalone, who would probably tell him to go pick up cans to make that $3,500 bond. I just wanted to add that being on disability does not alleviate you from your child support obligation. What it does is it reduces the amount of child support that you owe because it's based off your income, and your disability income would be the same as any working income. And since you would probably make significantly less on disability than you would working at a normal job, he would pay a lot less. But this dude's got 7 kids in one county. He's got kids in other counties. And I started to feel bad for him when I first watched it because of the disability, got hit by a car. You know, that really sucks. However, he hasn't paid child support since day one. He's had warrants out since 6 months after his very first kid was first had a child support case established. And he's continued to have babies with half the county. So I have no sympathy for this guy. Someone needs to lock up his junk so he quits spreading it around town. Just my opinion. Have a good day.